Can I see that? Okay, thank you. Here you go. You go ahead and feed yourself. Go ahead. Here you go. There you go. Thank you. Mama needs to eat too. Would you like some more? Okay, here you go. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Tomorrow? Thanks. Want some more? I'm sorry. Here you go. Mommy appreciates the help with dinner. I love eating dinner with my baby boy. Here. Okay. I think that's up your nose. Oh. Would you like to move on to a puff? It won't get up your nose. Well, it could get up your nose, but see here. Oh, so close. Oh, yay! Good boy! It's in there, now you're not sure you like it or not. Well, that was dinner with the little boy. Say bye-bye.